So, hello students, good day to all of you. So, today I will be discussing about the tibiofibular joints and the ankle joint and also about the subtalar joints. Okay, so that is the remaining joints in the lower limb, the tibiofibular, the joints of the leg and ankle and the subtalar joints. So, our learning objectives for today. So, naturally for any joint we will be discussing about the type of the joint, followed by its articulating surfaces, then ligaments or capsule, followed by the movements permitted in this joint or performed by this joint, and naturally the muscles which are producing these movements, then followed by it relations of the joint, nerve supply and blood supply, and finally the applied aspects. So first, to start with, we will be discussing about the tibiofibular joints. So if you look at the tibiofibular joints, the tibia and fibula are held together at three places. The upper part is actually superior tibiofibular joint, then you have the middle tibiofibular, and then you have the inferior tibiofibular joints. Okay, now of this, the superior tibiofibular joint is a synovial joint. It has got a joint capsule lined by synovial membrane, whereas the middle one is just the fibers which are holding it together, and the lower one is again a syndesmosis. So coming to the superior tibiofibular joint is actually formed by the lateral